Hey, Deer Slayer, I don't know about a mail ticket, but 103 on the bottom side of the Buckeyes copy in your mail with the Watergate rolling. Deer Slayer 103, breaking.
Hello, up there, 103. 103 up there in the Buckeye, man. Good evening time to you. Well, I got all kind of rough conditions down here in the pile. Big horns coming in, states from up north. Everybody's plugging up my ears, no doubt. 103 up there in the Buckeye. Good evening time. Deer Slayer down here on Lake Okeechobee, sitting back.
Yeah, Deer Slayer, it's rough and tough up here in the Buckeye too, man. I ain't gonna lie. But I do got a Watergate roll on you, Deer Slayer. If you can get it back one more time to the 103 on the bottom side of the Buckeye State, trying to wave once more.
Man, 47, you said tough.
Well, I appreciate that, 103. I tell you, I wish I could only have one person at a time in there, but it's all kind of rough on the receive end down there. Top of the evening to you. Take care up there in the Buckeye, 103. Old Deer Slayer down here on Lake Okeechobee, back on the site.
All right, Deer Slayer, I appreciate you bumming it down on me, man. I heard you coming and going there, in and out there a few times, but you up there 8-9 pounder right now, so I thought I'd tear down, try to make the trip. Glad I could get down that way. Deer Slayer, you have a super fine one, 73s, and have a good one. BS 103, sitting back listening.
47.
Jack, 103, take care.
Down, Papa, down, bring bait.